Yes, we are developing two health drinks having the same compositions, and they are derived from three different species of the genus gingiber. So it is a good health drink. In fact, I have been using it for the past 1 year for my own, have a personal health. And very recently, COVID struck all over the world, and and we do not have any medicine to specifically for COVID-19. But looking at the research publications based on these three ginger species, they have the potential to take care of the common cold, cough, and the fevers, which are also associated with the COVID-19 and particularly these respiratory problems. So by taking this three gingers herbal drink, which is one is herbal concoction or infusion, or what we commonly call tea, and the another is non-alcoholic ginger beer. Means they are having the same composition. So they will give immunity boosting, and what we expect is not just immunity boosting, something more than that, which can be verified through clinical trials and the proper scientific investigations. But at the moment, what our people require is something for the safeguard against COVID-19. That is why we are claiming the formulation of such a health drink, and in course of time it will be proven that whether this will be effective in COVID-19 treatment or not. But definitely we are on the positive side. Yes, we are trying to commercialize, but we do not find two of the gingers in cultivation. Only one gingiber species, that is gingiber officinale, which is the common ginger or adrak in Hindi, what you call. So we have to bring them into cultivation, and we require in bulk quantity for the commercial production. So it may take sometimes for about 1 year or so till we get the the raw material for the commercial production. But in course of time we will collect whatever we get from our homestead cultivation or from semi-wild habitat. Then we will try to produce some of the this three gingers tea and provide to the COVID patients, so that they can try it out and say whether it is helpful or not.